Hi Skin Games judges, this is Renee Asare tuning in to discuss ingredients used in my acne case study. With home care and treatment protocols, I prioritized antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and barrier repair ingredients. Specifically discussing Doris's home care, I included alternating cleansers, one with a salicylic, a beta-hydroxy acid, known for its oil solubility. It was used for its ability to penetrate the follicle, dissolve sebum, and reduce congestion. A second cleanser included ingredients of tea tree and licorice root. Licorice root extract inhibits tyrosinase while calming inflammation, making it ideal for treating both acne and hyperpigmentation. Tea tree leaf extract provides antibacterial support while helping regulate sebaceous activity. I have Doris on 3 different performance serums at various different times. The key ingredients are Aurafirm ferment, a postbiotic that supports the skin's microbiome and improves hydration and barrier resilience. Burdock root helps regulate oil production and reduce inflammation. The second serum included willow bark extract, which is a natural beta-hydroxy acid. It helps keep pores clear and reduces inflammation. It also has witch hazel, which when properly formulated, helps refine pores and manage oil while soothing irritation. To address texture and hyperpigmentation safely, I introduced mandelic acid by week 3. Its larger molecular size makes it ideal for deeper skin tones. It gently exfoliates, improves keratin buildup, and supports pigment correction with less risk of irritation. Tea tree and licorice root show up again in our moisturizer in addition to panthenol, also known as vitamin B5. It strengthens the skin barrier and improves moisture retention, reducing irritation from acne actives. Doris's sun protection includes oligopeptides and polypeptides. These peptides are cell signaling ingredients that can help improve skin health by supporting regeneration and repair mechanisms, which may help with healing acne lesions and reducing scarring. And finally, niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, which brightens skin tone, strengthens the barrier, and helps reduce redness and dark spots.